This is the tutorial for push notifications from a PC or laptop. You're going to go to the address chvapps.com and enter in the information that we've given you for your login. You'll come to the dashboard, and right off the bat you'll see a chart here, graphs for your analytics for your account. So we're going to come back to that, but let's go to notifications. So the first one we're going to do is the push notifications, which are the global notifications. For instance, we're going to add one in here that says church is canceled due to weather. See, I already had that typed in. And then the message will notify you if service is also canceled Wednesday night. And then we're going to send to all applications, and as you can see it checks this over here. We're using the app Chosen Ministries Inc. for this particular tutorial. So we're targeting devices iOS and Android, and if you wanted to open a custom URL, you would click here and you would enter that URL in there, which would be the http / whatever. So we'll put lifechurch.life in there. And if you don't want to send any link, you don't have to, certainly. Just leave that unchecked. And all that's left now to do is click send. And that is the push message that is sent globally to everyone that has the app. Now we're going to go to our dashboard. And from there, we're going to click on Chosen Ministries, the edit icon. This is the notifications that you will send to those particular groups who have selected different topics within your app. For instance, in this particular app, we have notifications that are Chosen Ministries notifications and CYC, which is the Canada Youth Camp notifications. Then we also have one that's just a test. So as you can see, I have all three of those on, and I'm just going to leave them like that. So we're going to go to alerts, and let's scroll down a little bit so we can see. As you notice, there are several notifications we've already sent. We're going to click on add content and then the title. Test alert for test notification. We'll do this for youth camp. And message, don't forget to register. And again, we can open a feature or a custom URL here. If I want them to remember to register, I might check this and go to the register CYC. So let's do that. You can also insert a cover image. Let's show you what that looks like. I'm just going to pick a picture, preferably something with a small resolution. This one here of Anna and Courtney when they were younger is 588 by 864, so that'll be plenty small. So let's open that and show you what it does, because you will have to crop it. So as you can see, this is what is going to show. Now you can move this around. You can also crop this accordingly if you wanted to just do Anna. So we'll just pull this down a little bit and do them both and click OK. And now you've resized your picture. So click on now this blue icon, and we're going to go to the next screen on this. It says send to no specific locations. That means it goes anywhere, or send to a specific location. So if you click on that and you want to enter a location, I'm going to do 65775, which is West Plains, Missouri, and I'm going to do a radius of 50 kilometers. Now the reason you would do something like this, for instance, if that you had somebody maybe on vacation out in California and you didn't want to bother them with an alert, but you did want to target around your church area, that's the reason you would send to a specific location. We're just going to leave it unchecked for now and click the next button. Now you're going to target your devices, and at this point eventually it's going to be iOS and Android. So right now it's just Android because we haven't published to the Apple Store yet. And we're going to send to all my users, or you can send to specific users. And when you click on that, you'll see that these users pop up here. These are the users that have either signed up in the app or we created them through the user account here. So that's who these will be sent to. Or you can click here to send to specific topics, and that's what we want to do. We want to send it to the Canada Youth Camp 2018. So now that we have that, let's click again, Next, and this is additional information. I want to send it now, or I want to send it on a specific date. Let's say we wanted to send it Sunday. So Sunday the 12th, and we want to send it around, and this is going to be military time, so there's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And then click Done. Now we're not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and send it now. And click OK. And your message has been saved successfully. Will be sent here shortly. So the notification usually takes about 15 to 30 seconds for it to go through for the notification. So that is the tutorial on sending notifications either by global or specific notifications to specific users and or topics. And then when you're done, you can come up here and click on Log Out, and that will log you out of the application.